The Fiat Custom Fit Leatherlite front seat covers in gray, fitting all 09 to 18 Ram 1500s with bucket seats, is perfect if your seats are a little worn and you want to freshen up your interior a little bit, while adding some comfort and protecting your seats from any further damage. Or if you don't like the look of the factory cloth seats, these are perfect to add a nice leather touch to your interior. Ram seat materials are pretty durable, but almost nothing is immune to years of daily use. And these are perfect, like I said, if your seats are a little bit worn out or cracked around the edges, you can put these on and pretty much cover that up and protect your seat from any further damage. These seat covers are manufactured out of Fiat's Leatherlite, which is a tough simulated leather that's stitched together to perfectly mimic the contours of your Ram's front seats. And they can be easily cleaned, whether it's dirt, mud, kids, or pets. You wipe them right off and you're pretty much good to go. There's also some extra padding on the bottom cushion and the back cushion, making long drives a little bit easier, and it's all double stitched together to provide maximum durability. Price is going to come in at around $250 for the set. Now that is a little bit more on the expensive side, but for what you get here, the Leatherlite, the extra padding, the double stitching all the way around, and as you can see, it fits our seats pretty much perfectly. I think it's a good deal for what you get, especially keeping in mind those one-size-fits-all seat covers that you get from a local auto parts store. Install is going to be just about as easy as it gets, as these feature Fiat's Super Grip system, which not only makes for an easy install, but ensures the covers don't slide around on you and bunch up. With that being said, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should take you around 10-15 minutes to get these installed. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. So we are going to start with the passenger side bottom cushion, and you can tell that's the passenger side because it has a nice cutout for your seatbelt right here. We're gonna drape that across, and then if we flip it over, we can see this portion with the clips and buckles is going to push between the bottom and top rest, and then it's gonna meet up with these straps underneath. These are gonna go underneath the seat and meet up to these buckles with the clips. In back, and there's 3 of those and 1 that's going to go around all 3 of them. Now, as you can see, the side strap and buckle poke through just fine, but the 3 we pushed in between the cushions are blocked by this fabric cover here. In order to release that, you're gonna reach underneath the seat and follow the strap forward, and there's gonna be a little clip attached to a bar underneath there. You push it forward and it comes right off. And do that twice. And that will allow you to pull it up, and as you can see, our 3 clips are revealed. With everything in place, you could then fish your straps from underneath the seat, and make sure you avoid pinching this seat control harness here, and just feed them through the buckles. And lastly, you could do the one across the back. Now for the backrest, the first step is going to be headrest removal. You're going to start by pushing it all the way up, then releasing this tab on the right and the one on the left as well. And the headrest pops right out. And the backrest we're going to use is for the passenger side, and you can tell that because it has a cutout here for the airbag. In case of an emergency, this flap is just going to open up and allow your airbag to pass through. That should be toward the door. And you can just put it over the seat just like that, and these Velcro straps are gonna poke through the cushions just like we did for the bottom. And now you can install the Velcro straps to the bottom cushion. And for the back, we have this elastic piece right here that's gonna go around the cover like that. And we're simply gonna reinstall these clips. And with the backrest in place, we can reinstall our headrest. And that makes it a little bit easier to install the headrest cover. And that is gonna do it for my review and install of the FIA Custom Fit Leatherlite front seat covers in gray, fitting all 09 to 18 Ram 1500s with the bucket seats. Thank you for watching. Keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.